tonight as we counted all the planes go by. We talked like everything has changed, like a miracle drug that cures the pain. I don't want this night to fade, 'cause we don't feel this way no more. We'll laugh until our bodies hurt, and takes me to this place like we were just kids. Slow it down or it can be gone, like we were just kids. The feeling that we had once, now ours, like we were just lost up in space. We found each other through the stars, like we were just kids, like we were just kids. Keep me by your side, kaleidoscopes running through my mind. We looked like we were both insane, all day, all night to tessellate. I don't want this night to fade, 'cause we don't feel this way no more. We'll laugh until our bodies hurt, and takes me to this place like we were just kids. Slow it down or it can be gone, like we were just kids. The feeling that we had once, now ours, like we were just lost up in space. We found each other through the stars, like we were just kids, like we were just kids. Someday when we don't believe it no more, and we forget the way that we felt before, back to the places that we used to know, we'll be lying here once more, like we were just kids, 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 like we were just. Like we were just kids. Whoa, slow it down or it can be gone. Like we were just kids. Feeling that we had once, now ours. Like we were just lost in space. We found each other through the stars. Like we were just kids, like we were just kids.
Up before the sun every single day, you gave me a home and gave me my name. You sang Robert Earl and sweet baby James. Yeah, you built a life on Amazing Grace. I was born to break every single rule, with a reckless heart, sometimes a fool. I was hell to raise, but he kept his cool. Showed me love will always follow through. I can see it all in his weathered eyes, full of strength and love and sacrifice. Oh, I've spent my days living on the run, but now I know it, I'm my father's son. steady job, he's a steady man. And over 30 years with a wedding band. Bet a wild child wasn't in his plans, but every part of him's a part of who I am. I can see it all in his weathered eyes, full of strength and love and sacrifice. Oh, I've spent my days living on the run, but now I know that I'm my father's son. Yeah, I know that I'm my father's son. Monuments built in his name, no magazines that would spread his fame.